Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to record with your PlayStation 5 camera full screen. So if you're making like a YouTube video or something, or you just want to document something, well, it's easy to do that. We need to go over to Sharefactory, the video editor on the PlayStation 5, and select this, and then open this up. And then we want to scroll up the top, and we want to go to the video editor, right here. Select this. And then we can go to the new project, or we can go to an existing project. So I'm just going to go to new project, select a path, and then you can uncheck mark the intro, the outro, and all this other random stuff right here. And then you can just select some gameplay. Now it really doesn't matter what we select, so we can just select this and then add it to our timeline, name it wherever you want, and then go to continue. Now what we want to do is record with our camera, and it'll save that to our media gallery. So what do we record? And then it will be full screen. So let's press X, then go on over to add track true. Now we can start recording. So you can see me in here. So let's go ahead and record. And let's go to record video and record. So this is how you can record full screen on your PlayStation 5 using the PlayStation camera. So just record wherever you want, then press X to stop. Now saving the commentary. Now this is going to be added as a track 2. There's two different ways that we can add this to our actual footage. Now this is already saved in our gallery. So if we open up the share button right here in this menu, we can go on over here and we can see this entire clip is saved. So that's me talking right there. So we could literally share this now to YouTube or to a different team or wherever, and we should be good to go there. And I did this with other areas too. That's me with the green screen. But there's two different ways that we can get this on our timeline. So we can see this is a second layer right here. We can press edit now, and then we can go on over to where it says PIP layout. And then we can make this full screen. So let's make this full screen. Back out. And now I'm recording. I don't know if I have any audio on there. No, I don't. It's just the gameplay. So this is full screen on the timeline. Or we can just go back to the PIP layout, and then we can change this around as well. So we have to go to edit track 2, then edit. Once again, square is edit. Then we go PIP layout, and then I think I went to the wrong one. Let's go to PIP layout, and then we can go to like, let's just do offset for this example and back out. This is how it looks out. Now another thing that we could do is add it to the timeline if we're going to be video editing. So we can press X, and then we can go to add clip. Since whenever we record with the camera it saves a new clip, we should be able to find the clip that we just did. We can select this and add it to our timeline here as well. So you can see it's right there. So you can go ahead and mess around with this, but that's how you can go ahead and record full screen with your PlayStation camera. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.